Hello everyone, I am Bishwajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So in today's video, we are going to start the discussion of KVS PGT Mathematics paper. Okay, the mathematics section we will discuss. So as we have seen in case of TGT that total 100 questions were there in mathematics part. So here also the same thing will happen, that means from question number 81 to question number 180, total 100 questions will be from mathematics section. Okay, now this mathematics section we will completely discuss, but not in a single video. We will make several videos for the discussion of total mathematics paper. Okay, so then what we will do in today's video? In today's video, only the first 10 questions we will attempt. Okay, only the first 10 questions we will do. So okay, that means from question number 81 to question number 90, these 10 questions we will cover in today's video. Okay, so without delaying, let's start. Let's go to the screen. So this is question number 81. So what they are asking in this question? Now X set they have given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the relation R is given by one relation is given x comma y such that x plus y greater than equals to 8. X belongs to A and y belongs to A. Then the set of ordered pairs in R are what? That means we have to list all the elements of the relation R. Okay, that is the problem here. They have given in set builder form. We have to write in tabular form. Okay, by listing all the elements of R. So if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we know that a relation R is a subset of A cross A. Okay, R is a subset of A cross A. So for that reason, we will find just quickly what will be A cross A. A cross A, everyone can write down that 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 5. Then next will come 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, so okay 1 comma 5, then it will come 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. Then similarly next terms will come like this 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. Then which term will come 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5. Okay, then it will come 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 5. Okay, this is A cross A, this is not R. Okay, this is A cross A. Now R they have defined in such a way that x comma y, the ordered pair x comma y will be in R if x plus y greater than equals to 8. Okay, if x plus y greater than equals to 8. So what will be R? From here can you list the elements of R? So what will be R according to the definition? X plus y must be greater than equals to 8. So in the first row you see in A cross A that if you add these two components x and y, they will not be greater than equals to 8. So in the second row also they will not be greater than equals to 8. Okay, but in the third row you can see that 3 plus 5, okay, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this ordered pair will belong to R, 3 comma 5. Now next come to the fourth row. Okay, what we can see, 4 comma 4 is equal to 8. 4 comma 4 is equal to 8. So 4 comma 4 will belong to R. Then 4 comma 5 is equal to 9, which is greater than equals to 8. So 4 comma 5 will also belong to R. Then 5 comma 3, come to 5 comma 3. So 5 comma 3 belongs to R. 5 comma 4 similarly belongs to R, and 5 comma 5 also belong to R. Okay, so R is this one. Now, so therefore which option is correct? Now easily we can see option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, 3 comma 5, see here number of elements 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here also we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all the other options are having less number of elements, so option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So is it clear to everyone? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 82. Okay, so what they are asking in this question, that the domain of the function f given by a function is given. Now we have to find the domain. So in order to find the domain, what we know, that the denominator must be not equal to 0, okay, or must not be equal to 0. So what is the denominator in f of x? X square minus x minus 6. So this is the denominator, this should not be equal to 0, okay, this should not be equal to 0. So what is the meaning of that? Now just factorize this. So 3 into 2 6, so I can write x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, that is not equal to 0. So x I can take common from the first two terms, and we will get x minus 3, plus 2 I will take common, so I will get x minus 3, which is not equal to 0. So this is giving us x plus 2 into x minus 3 not equal to 0. So the function is defined for all real values of x except x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3. So x is not equal to minus 2 and x is not equal to 3. Okay, so that means the domain of the function, so if I denote it by d, domain of f, df, that will be equal to the set of all real numbers except these points minus 2 and 3. Okay, minus 2 and 3. So which option is correct? Then option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer, minus 2 comma 3. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 83. Now this is also a problem from the relation chapter. So a relation R is defined from n to n. N is the set of all natural numbers. Okay. So how they have defined a comma b, R is equal to a comma b such that a is greater than equals to b. So a belongs to n and b belongs to n. Then R is an equivalence relation, reflexive and symmetric but not transitive, reflexive neither symmetric nor transitive, reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So which option will be correct then? So that means we have to check the types of relations. Okay, that means reflexivity. Okay, first try to check the reflexivity. So what we know, that for all a belongs to n, a belongs to n, a is greater than equals to a, we can write. So from here what we can write, that will imply a comma a belongs to, sorry, this will be only R, simple R. R is the relation, not set of real numbers. So a comma a belongs to R for all a belongs to n. Okay, set of all natural numbers. So therefore the relation is reflexive. Okay, the given relation is reflexive. Now what about symmetricity? So whether it is symmetric or not. Now for symmetric, what we need to have, if a comma b belongs to n, if a comma b belongs to R, sorry, a comma b belongs to R, then that will imply what? A is greater than equals to b. Okay. Now if that will imply that b comma a will also belong to R, that means b must be greater than equals to a. Now when this condition will be satisfied, if a is equal to b, if a is greater than equals to b as well as b is greater than equals to a, then we know a is equal to b. Okay, a is equal to b. So this relation is not symmetric. Now for example, if you take particular example, suppose 5 comma 2 I am taking this ordered pair. This ordered pair is belonging to R. Okay, because 5 is greater than equals to 2. Okay, as 5 is greater than equals to 2. But what about 2 comma 5? 2 comma 5 is not belonging to R, as 2 is not greater than equals to 5. Okay, therefore this is not symmetric. Okay, this is not symmetric. Now what about transitivity? Suppose a comma b belongs to R, b comma c belongs to R, then that means what I am telling, that a is greater than equals to b, a comma b belongs to R means, and b comma c belongs to R means b is greater than equals to c. So from these two relations, a is greater than equals to b and b is greater than equals to c, can't we write that a is greater than equals to c? And this will imply a comma c belongs to R, a comma c belongs to R. So therefore whenever a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R, then a comma c belongs to R. Therefore the relation is transitive. Okay, therefore the relation is transitive. So the relation is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay, reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So which option? We can see option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. Reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay, now let's move to the next question. 84, question number 84. Now two sets A and B contains 4 and 5 elements respectively. So number of 1 1 and on 2 mappings from A to B is or are. So what will be the number of 1 1 and on 2 mapping? That means what will be the number of bijective mappings from A to B? Now in order to be, or in order to there exists a bijective mapping from A to B, A and B must contain the same elements, same number of elements. Okay, same number of elements. But here we are seeing that A and B both are finite sets and they are containing different numbers of elements. A is containing 4 elements and B is containing 5 elements. So there cannot be a bijective mapping from A to B. So number of bijective mappings is 0. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, number of 1 1 and on 2 mappings is 0. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 85. Now number of elements in the universal set is 30 and number of elements in the A complement is 15, number of elements in B is 5 and number of elements in A intersection B is 3. Then what is n of A union B? Okay, what is n of A union B? Now by the formula what we know, n of A union B will be equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now all the values just we have to put here. Now n of A, but they have provided the information n of A complement, but also along with that they have provided what is the number of elements in the universal set, 15. So what will be the elements in A? 30 minus 15, so 15, so that will be 15. Now n of b is 5, n of b is 5 and n of a intersection b is 3. So that is equal to 20 minus 3, that is 17. Okay. So n of a union b is 17. Option 3 is the correct answer. So is it clear to everyone? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 86. So this is also a problem related to set theory. So what they are telling here, in a survey of 400 students of a school. Okay, this language is little bit ambiguous. So these two will not be there. In a survey of 400 students of a school, it was found that 100 like to drink coffee, 150 like to drink tea and 75 like both coffee as well as tea. Find how many students neither likes to drink coffee nor tea. So let us assume that A is the set of all students who like to drink coffee. Okay, like to drink coffee, and B is the set of students who like to drink tea. Then according to the question, what are the informations we have? That 100 like to drink coffee, that means number of A is equal to 100 and 150 like to drink tea. So number of B is equal to 150 and 75 like both coffee as well as tea. So what else is given? Number of A intersection B is equal to 75. So what is the number of students who likes either coffee or tea or both? That is what? So number of students who like either coffee or tea or both, that is number of A union B. Okay, number of A union B, that is equal to, by formula we know, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Okay, so what is number of A? That is given 100. What is number of B? That is 150 and number of A intersection B is 75. So from 100 if we subtract 75, it will give us 25 plus 150. So that is equal to 175. Okay, so what is the question then? Find how many students neither likes to drink coffee nor tea. Okay, that means we have to find so this is the number of students who like either coffee or tea or both. Okay, so 175. Now we have to find the number of students who neither like coffee nor tea. Okay, so that means we have to find we have to find number of A complement intersection B complement. Okay, that we have to find. That means we have to find this is equal to, we know that a number of A union B whole complement. Okay, now this is nothing but number of U, where U is the universal set. Okay, minus number of A union B. Okay, so what is the number of elements of the universal set? That means the number of total number of students. Okay, 400 students were there. So this is number of U means 400, and number of A union B is 175, already we have found. So this will be equal to 25 means 200, 225. Okay, 225. So this is our answer, 225. Okay, so which option is correct? Option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. Now is it clear to everyone? Okay, still if you have any doubt, you comment me and I will try to answer your question in the next video. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Question number 87. A ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground when placed against a wall. If the foot of the ladder is 2 meters away from the wall, then the length of the ladder is what? That means it is given that, suppose this is the wall and this is the ladder. Okay, this is the ladder. This is the ladder. So this distance they have told 2 meter away from the wall. Okay, and this angle they have given 60 degree. This angle they have given 60 degree. Then the length of the ladder they have asked. So let me say AB is the wall and AC is the ladder. Okay, so from this right angled triangle, what we have, okay, AC by BC, AC by BC, that means hypotenuse by base, that is equal to sec 60 degree. Okay, sec 60 degree. So AC we have to find. So AC is equal to BC, already we know 2 meter. So 2 into sec 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is half, I think. Cos 60 degree is half, yes. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to half. So sec 60 degree will be equal to 2. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So AC is 4 meter. Okay. So the length of the ladder is 4 meter. So which option? Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 88. So what they are asking here, solution of the trigonometric equation 5 cos square x plus 7 sin square x minus 6 is equal to 0 is what? So we have to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will convert the total equation into cos. Okay, 5 cos square x plus 7 into sin square means 1 minus cos square x, we know, minus 6 is equal to 0. So what we are getting, 5 cos square x minus 7 cos square x, so minus 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x. Now plus 7 minus 6, that means plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here what we will get, cos square x is equal to 1 by 2, is it or not? Or cos x is equal to, okay, instead of writing cos x, what I will do, cos square x is equal to 1 by 2. So what about 2 cos square x? 2 cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, 2 cos square x is equal to 1. Now, okay, without doing this also we could have found, okay, 2 cos square x. Now cos 2 theta, what is the formula for cos 2 theta? Do you know? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is the formula for cos 2 theta, is not it? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So therefore 2 cos square theta means cos 2 theta plus 1. So this I will write cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. So from here we can write cos 2x is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, then what is the general solution? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That is 2x. 2x is equal to this. So therefore what is x? X will be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Okay, 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Now that is nothing but n pi by 2 plus pi by 4. N pi by 2 plus pi by 4. It will be this, but that type of answer we don't have here. Okay, cos 2x is equal to 0. So 2x will be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. So that is n pi by 2 plus pi by 4. N pi by 2 plus pi by 4. So no option is like this. Okay, if I have not done any mistake in the calculation, then the options are wrong maybe. So one thing we can see from here, if this option is not matching, the general solution is not matching, then from this line, so whenever we are seeing that this general solution is not matching with the options, so from this line, come to this line, 2 cos square x is equal to 1. So from here we can write cos square x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so cos x is equal to, just take 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. So x is equal to pi by 4, taking only the positive value. Okay, taking only the positive value, we have x is equal to pi by 4. So we can tick this option, option 3. Otherwise this option is the general solution. Okay, n pi by 2 plus pi by 4, but no option is we are seeing like this. Okay. So we have to tick on 3. So now let's move to the next question, question number 89. So this is question number 89. They are asking that the minimum value of 2 root 5 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 7 is what? So for finding the minimum value, what we will do here, just take 2 root 5 is equal to r cos alpha and 4 is equal to r sin alpha. Okay, this 2 root 5 we are taking r cos alpha and this 4 we are taking r sin alpha. So then what we have, r square is equal to, so 4 into 5 20 plus 16, So that is equal to 36. So R is equal to 6. Okay, R is equal to 6. So anyway, okay, then if we put these values, that R cos alpha we have taken to root 5 and 4 we have taken R sin alpha. So in the given expression, if we put these values, so what we will get? R into cos alpha cos x plus sin alpha sin x plus 7. Okay, that we will get. So that is equal to R into cos of x minus alpha, we can write, plus 7. Now the value of R is 6, we know. So 6 into cos of x minus alpha plus 7. Okay, now what we know, the value of cos x will be from -1 to 1. Okay, -1 less than equals to cos of x minus alpha less than equals to 1, that we know. So what about 6? Just multiply all the terms by 6. So we will get -6 less than equals to 6 cos of x minus alpha less than equals to 6. Okay, now add plus 7. So if you add plus 7, then here we will get 1. 1 less than equals to 6 cos of x minus alpha plus 7 is less than equals to 6 plus 7 means 13. Okay, so then what is the minimum value? What we can see, what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 1. So the minimum value of 6 cos x minus alpha plus 7 is 1. Okay, so is it clear to everyone? Okay, the minimum value is 1. So option 3 is the correct answer. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 90. So here is question number 90. We can see, if a complex number z satisfies the condition I plus z divided by I minus z whole modulus is equal to 1, then it will lie on what? Okay, that we have to find. So for that, what we will do, so we will take z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, then what will be I plus z? I plus z will be equal to x plus y plus 1 into I. So this will be I plus z. So what about I minus z then? I minus z will be equal to minus x and plus 1 minus y into I, that is I minus z. Yes or no? That is I minus z. So what about modulus of I plus z? What about modulus of I plus z? So what about modulus of I plus z? Modulus of I plus z will be equal to okay, I will find the square of modulus of I plus z. So this will be x square plus y plus 1 whole square. Okay, so similarly modulus of I minus z square will be equal to x square plus this I can write y minus 1 whole square, because y minus 1 whole square is same as 1 minus y whole square. Okay, now come to the given condition, that modulus of I plus z divided by I minus z. So that means they are telling modulus of I plus z divided by modulus of I minus z is equal to 1. So this thing what we can do, So this modulus means I plus z modulus divided by modulus of I minus z, that we can write, that is equal to 1. Now square both side. So modulus of I plus z square divided by modulus of I minus z square is equal to 1. So now put the values whatever we have found. So what was modulus of I plus z? That was x square plus y plus 1 whole square. So this is equal to, so this will be x square plus y plus 1 whole square will be equal to x square plus y minus 1 whole square. Just I have put the values. So x square will be cancelled. So we will get y plus 1 is equal to plus minus y minus 1. Okay. So y plus 1 cannot be equal to y minus 1. So definitely y plus 1 will be equal to minus of y minus 1. Okay. So positive sign we have to neglect. We can't take positive sign. Positive sign neglected. So that means what we are getting. So 2y is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 0. That will imply y is equal to 0. Okay, y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. Okay, y is equal to 0 is the equation of the x-axis. So then it will lie on x-axis. So option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. So okay, these were the first 10 questions of KVS PGT mathematics paper. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss the next 10 questions, and in that way we will complete all the 100 questions, okay, in 10 videos. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and if you are interested to watch the previous videos regarding the KVS TGT mathematics paper or NVS TGT mathematics paper, whether it is for northeastern region or for the direct recruitment drive, whatever it is, all the videos are available and the links are given in the description box. Okay, from there you can watch the previous videos. So and if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel for this type of videos. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.